Hello family, and welcome back to another episode of Uneatly Tay. Today you guys, I have another unboxing, and today we're going to be unboxing some more Totally Dazzled products. And plus, today's video is a sponsorship, you guys. I have a sponsorship with Totally Dazzled. I have some cute items in this package that I received on yesterday, and I want to give a special thank you to Miss Natalie and the Totally Dazzled crew for all these great items. So let's jump right into this unboxing. Okay y'all, as you can see, I have already pre-cut into this, and the reason why I wanted to check to make sure everything was in there. So we're gonna slide it out of this. And of course, as always, you get this cute, nice satin bag that says Totally Dazzled, and it also has the website down below so everybody can see. I love these bags. They tie it in a little bow. Alright, so you guys, I ordered these cute napkin ring holders. Now there's a little glare, but they are so sparkly, you guys. I ordered 2 of those. Look at the detail of each and every diamond, if you can see it. So pretty. It's a little bright because I'm outside, but there's lots of details in those diamonds. I ordered 2 of those. And as you can see, it is a napkin ring holder. It's a napkin ring holder. And I have a great DIY in store for those. And I also have these. These right here are table markers where you can put the table numbers in. I'm going to open up one so you all can see the glitz and glam of this piece. That is so stunning, everybody. I ordered 2 of these. You can see the detail of each jewel on this particular item. It has great craftsmanship. This is the back of it, and this is the bottom part of it. Looks very, very good. And this one right here, I believe, reminds me of like a starburst. Looks like a starburst to me. So I got 2 of those. So I have 2 of those. I'll let you see those. And that's the same one that I showed you just a few minutes ago. Take that out so you can see it. Look at all that glam. I have some great DIYs in store for this also. Let's see. All right, and I also have this diamond encrusted napkin holder that I'm gonna do a DIY with also. So beautiful. Look at that bling, y'all. It looks like a huge diamond gold ring. It is beautiful. I love it. It looks so good. And yes, this is very pretty. That's the back of it, the front, and this is the front right here. Very, very pretty. And it has a huge diamond in the center too. See that? It's real pretty. And I have some DIYs in store for that also. See if I can slide this back in the bag. All right, and last but not least, have some rose gold diamond wrap. Take this rubber band off. Have some rose gold diamond wrap. So this is all rose gold, and you see how gleaming it is, sparkly. I love Totally Dazzled jewels. They have like the best jewels, you guys, and that is some beautiful glam right there. That's some nice sparkle. And it has in the back of each one, it's like a liner. It's your traditional diamond wrap, but it sparkles just like real rhinestones. So it gives off good glam and good sparkle. And you're gonna be seeing some beautiful DIYs with this rose gold diamond wrap. I did not have rose gold, so that's why I requested rose gold. But you guys, if you want to get some of the best glam items like I have, or if you want to be creative and select different glam items of your choice, I will have Totally Dazzled's link linked inside my description box, so you can go and experience the glam, everyone. They have some very great items. This is not my first time working with Totally Dazzled items, as everyone know, but this is just beautiful. That sparkle is great. And they have some of the prettiest items, everyone. The prettiest items. Look at that. Make sure I got that in there. I mean, that's some great detail and some beautiful sparkle. So always remember to create, explore, and enjoy. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you check out Totally Dazzled, you guys. You will not regret it. Thank you so much for tuning in. I love all of you. And until the next video, bye-bye.